welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a little project here with my FPV Ladybird V2 from Walkera. I make video before of this quad. I was flying and suddenly I scratched it and got a broken camera. I broke the camera, doesn't work anymore. I have to order a new one. Here it is. Finally just came in. Looks the same. I noticed a little difference. I think it's a new model. The old camera has a model name. These numbers was here at the bottom. And another thing I can notice, the switching setup channels is in different position, but basically looks the same thing. I'm gonna install it. I got these two, the new Canopy for this quad, mini quad. The reason is protect the new camera for next scratches. Okay, the new camera has come with some instructions how to set up the channels, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, 4 to 8, how set up in the remote control the Devo S4, more instructions. Let's go ahead and start it. Take off the old Canopy. I don't like too much either. I think this one looks better with this new one. Let's install first the camera. Here is the model. Here also I have the model. Now the switching set up switching channels. It's different position. For that I had some Velcro. One thing, I'm gonna use a different battery. This mini quad comes with a little small battery. I'm gonna use a big one. For that, I'm gonna put the camera in this way, make some space. Leave some space here for the long battery. You see? Okay. Let's connect the new camera. Okay, it's connected. It's already connected the new camera. Now we're gonna put the new Canopy. Looks this way. Looks real nice. Here's the camera and Canopy. Okay. These switches, according with these instructions, we are in the channel 1. Next step is set up my Devo S4 in channel 1 to sync this remote control to this camera. Let's put the battery pack. Slide. Let's connect the Ladybird. on the DVoice 4. Like I said, according with these instructions, we are on channel 1. We go to system menu, we go to the video select, and we scan to see the imaging. Okay, let's go to channel 1. Right there, we got imaging. It's there. Okay, we are ready to fly. Okay, here is my new camera working real nice. Nice look imaging. If you see in the quad, it's very stable with the new Canopy. The best part of this thing, I can protect very well my new camera from the scratches. I'm gonna hit a little bit the wall and see what happens. You see? I hit the wall, nothing happens. The new Canopy is working right. My video signal is completely clear. I think this new camera has a little power like models before. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Bye.